Hey guys, today I'm working on the school kitchen. I'm all done for the day. Everybody's gone for the day. And so I decided I would show you guys what I carry in my pockets while I'm at work for this month of March so far. Every day it's been, the eagtac D25A 2016 edition. I've carried this light for 2 years now, and I really love it. Kizer Guru. It's difficult to shoot video of the Kizer, but here it is. Looking cool as usual. I love the Kizer Guru. I got that when I turned 25. Turned 27 this year, so 2 years now. The Marshmallow Cream Natural Balm from Sterling, a soap company. I love this chapstick. It's really cool how flat it is, so it doesn't take up that much space in your pocket. Also the minimalist Benjamin Bot Ren wallet. I have some cash in the front, a few cards in the back. It's just a minimalist flat wallet, fits well in my pocket. Because I'm at work, I carry a pencil. I had a sharpen one in there, so I have to sharpen that. Do that later. And my hanky from PD Hanks, as usual. That guy's pretty cool. This was the first one I bought back when I had a beard and mustache. I have my Adidas hat. Took the logo off of it. My Nucleus shirt, Jaybird X4s. I've done a review on it. I think I'm gonna re-review them because the review I did after a week. I think I have a lot more to say now that I've owned them for months now. I wear them every single day. It's a construction worker. I can just do tasks with my hands. I don't really need to work with my brain a whole lot, so I can be listening to podcasts, music, and YouTube videos most of the time. I usually when I have an extra piece of tape, I should put it in my clothing until I can find a trash can. But that's basically everything I have except for my power bank or power pack. It kind of sucks, but it's good enough that I can give my phone a little bit of juice. It doesn't charge the whole battery, maybe 50%, and it will charge my headphones pretty fast. Also, I carry a lightning cable and the cables for this, and I carry that in my backpack. So if I get even a handful of likes on this video, I will show you guys what I carry in my backpack. So my extended everyday carry. So if you guys like this video, make sure and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this where I show you my gear and the gear I use every day and reviews, unboxings, go ahead and subscribe down there and comment. I usually respond. I actually respond to every comment because I don't have that many. So I respond to every single one of you. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I've had a handful of you guys find me on Instagram and follow me, and I always follow back because I try to know the people who are watching these videos to make sure that they like them.